Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create Jotform table from some of the existing templates within Jotform. So when you sign up to Jotform, then you go to products in Jotform tables. You will find dashboard that looks like this. Then you can create table, then go to use template. Now here on the left hand side you can see various set of categories that you have, right? So you can pick from that. So let's see if we go on checking some of the business specific templates. See, within project management you have employee task list, project tracker, sprint planning, issue tracking, which is pretty much famous as in our metrics, change log, right? Then stakeholder management and various other business related you can find within budget sheet as well, right? So let's see business budget template. If we use this template, you can click on use template and then it will take you to pre-made table, right? So here as you can see you already have some default data, right? And then you have tabs where you can see January, February, March and so on. So if you click on add tab, it will ask you what you want to do. So simply use table, click next, and you can see import an existing form submission or existing or start from scratch. Click next, then name it, let's say April, then create. You have April here. So here what you can do is you can copy this particular data and take it to this tab, right? Or you can remove this and simply right click and duplicate this tab, but you will have to select the available rows and columns, make sure to delete them, and then you can duplicate and make another one, right? So we can do is we can select all, right? And then we can 22 entries selected, we can delete them. Then we have a tab that's easy to duplicate. You can go to its tab name. Here you can clone with data or without data. So you can clone with data. Now we have it removed. So we have our 2 entries for you to plan your budget. So what about the previous one? Here you can do the same. You can see all the data is removed like we did with selection tab, right? So now from this point onwards you can just go on and add the data into that template. So you get the idea how to import the template from Jotform's template option and then clone that for tabs and proceed with your regular usage of Jotform table.